So the guys here are going to use our Smartlift to install this Velfac sliding door. It's 4 panes, the centre 2 slide away from each other. And so we have to do a bit of pre-assembly before we put it into the opening, but you can really see how amazing this bit of kit is that we've invested in to do this sort of job. So you can see how we can precisely manoeuvre the window as it goes into the hole to angle it up or down, left or right. Really takes the guesswork out of installing something big and heavy like this. This door is probably weighing in the region of about 300 kilos. It's all triple glazed, 4 panes of glass there. We can desash 2 of them to help with fixing it, and you can see how easy it is to install something like that when you've got the right equipment. So this really helps us with making sure that the operations that we're doing on site are safe. Any job that we can use the Smartlift on, we will do. It's just about having the right access externally and internally to make space for it, but it really simplifies the process and avoids a lot of the manual handling. Right, so from the inside here we can see how the window goes into the hole quite easily with the Smartlift. Some few adjustments of the couplings to make to get it into the hole effectively. Then Aaron can just slowly move it up and down on the remote control. I've got Ross down there just guiding in the sill and Paul at the head. You can see how precisely the Smartlift can move something this big. So one of the big benefits we've found of owning the Smartlift ourselves is that we can achieve a level of flexibility in when we use it and when we don't. Always having it on hand really means that the guys can progress at their own pace with the installation. If we've got a particular opportunity to install the big doors on the job on a certain day, then we know we don't have to deal with hiring and off-hiring the Smartlift to suit that. It's just a case of going and getting it from stores ready to go for the day.